In this video, we're going to have a look at creating customers for your store. So in order to create customers, just head on over to the Customers tab and click the New button to create a new customer. Now, when you are creating a new customer, depending on how many customer types you've chosen for your store, those will be available here in the dropdown. So whichever type of customer you're choosing for your store, you can go ahead and choose it. And as we've seen in the other videos on customer types here, when we do choose other kinds of customers, it will change depending on the type of business that you're dealing with or the individual that you're dealing with, that sort of thing. Anyways, so all you really need to do is just put in a, first name and last name and all the information here. Let me just really quickly just fill out the basic fields and we'll get this going. Okay, and then we're going to select a dispensary here, and that's pretty much all the information that you need. Let me just do that so there is something there. All right, so we'll go ahead and save it. And so that's your basic information. Now, once you've got your basic information here, that's what you need to register your customer. Now, you'll notice that the status of this customer is already registered. And the reason why that is the adult use customer type doesn't actually have any requirements before you get registered. Now, obviously, if you were actually having your store, you would probably have an ID or whatever your documents that you require in order to place orders with you. But in this particular demo store, there were no actual required documents set here. Likewise, if I set this over to, say, like a distributor, and then I saved it, maybe there would be some required documents required there. Let's see. Yeah, so it goes to pending there because there's actually the state license would be required to be uploaded before that customer would be allowed to start placing orders with you. So right there is a quick way where you can get your new customers done. So very quickly I can hit the new button, I can fill that out, and I can have a customer profile done. Now, if you guys are out there and you're prospecting customers and you're getting in leads, then this is a great way to click the new button and add the customer in as a lead, and they'll go into a pending status. And all of your customers that are basically at a pending status, that those actually haven't gone through your entire sales funnel yet. They haven't converted over to paying customers yet. So that's a great way to do that. From there, once you're in there, like I said, you can upload their required documentation and set it here. And once you do that, you can get the customer registered. And we'll do that here in just a second. But I wanted to show you the address and phone book over here. And so for your customers here, for addresses and phone numbers, we have multiple addresses and phone numbers that can be done in a single store, right? I'm just going to do Union City. Okay, so there's one right there I can do, and then I can do, 200 South First Street in San Jose. So there we go. And now once you have more than one address here, now for whichever one is the main address for that customer, I can simply select this, and that will become their preferred address for all their orders. The cool thing about it is once this customer actually places an order too, you'll be able to change these at order time. Same is true for the phone numbers as well. So you'll have multiple phone numbers that can be in here. And if the customer type is actually a business customer, and that's noted by whether or not they have a first name and last name or a business name on their profile here. But if they do have a business name, then automatically in the phone area here, they'll have a contact name field here. So that way, if it's ABC Corporation is the business, then you can have maybe 3 or 4 people here that have contacts. So maybe this is Jim Jones right here, so that's that. So that's how that would work. So it kind of allows you to select multiple contacts, and you can select it at order time saying, oh, you're going to be meeting with Jim today, for this delivery. So that's a quick way of doing that. Now we're just headed down here and just show you really quickly. I'm just going to upload any old file that we have here, and these are the actual videos that we've done. So let's go down and find something. Hey, we'll do that. Okay, so license here, license type, whatever. We'll just choose some information. And then once that's been satisfied, it's now been uploaded, I can go ahead and register and now we're registered there. So that's a quick way of how your customers come in from the store. Also, we're going to be doing another one here in which customers are going to be coming in from an online registration. So if you do have your front end website set up, then you have a portal where customers can actually register, choose the type of customer that they are, and then they will actually come in as customer requests. You see this bubble over here that says 78. That's the number of alerts that are here. For online orders, it'll come up with a bubble here that will say the number of customers that have registered online in your store, and then you can go through and check those out. So we'll do another video on that for the online customers there in a different video so you can see how that's done. But that's the basic gist on the customers. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.